Hey, good evening, everybody. We got Emmanuel.
Hey.
And who are you?
Casper.
Casper? Hi, Casper. I'm Dave. And they want to rescue this cute little thing. Aren't they sweet? It's pretty chilly. That's why they're so still. They're conserving food too. That's a cute little swarm. We're going to put them into this nuke box here. What do you think about that? Oh, she's a pretty good sized queen. Oh, yeah. Yeah. I don't really care about the boys because they don't do anything for the hive. Yeah, we got them in a nice warm cozy box here. The bees that are in this vac, I'll reunite them tomorrow when it's warm. And yeah, that's about it. The end.